Welcome to today's video, where we dive deep into the psychology of attraction, especially how older men often captivate women with ease. Have you ever wondered why some men can spark desire without even trying? These aren't just lucky guys. They understand the subtle cues that drive women wild. From body language to emotional intelligence, older men have mastered a toolkit that can get a woman to open up in minutes. In this video, we'll uncover those tricks in an educational, practical way. So if you want to understand how mature men create magnetic connections that drive women crazy, without saying much, you're in the right place. Let's explore how you can build that power, too. Segment 1. Let's start with the cornerstone, confidence. Not the loud, overcompensating kind. We're talking about the grounded, quiet confidence that older men develop through experience. It's in the way they walk into a room. Slow, intentional steps, posture upright, eyes focused. They don't need to say much. That calm presence makes others lean in. Confidence sends a silent signal that says, I'm in control. For women, this triggers emotional safety and intrigue. It shows you know who you are, and that's powerfully attractive. Want to emulate it? Practice slowing down your movements, holding eye contact, and speaking less. Let your energy speak first. Confidence isn't about talking more. It's about needing to talk less. Segment 2. Now let's talk body language, a nonverbal language that communicates more than words ever could. Older men use open, relaxed posture. Their shoulders are back, chest slightly forward, and hands are visible, showing they're not hiding anything. They don't fidget or appear rushed. Instead, they mirror a woman's movements naturally, creating an unconscious bond. This mirroring isn't forced. It's instinctive when you're truly present. The effect? A woman feels in sync with you without knowing why. To practice this, pay attention during conversations. Notice her gestures and subtly reflect them. Maintain a calm presence. Let your posture show you're confident and grounded. Women respond to how you carry yourself long before they register what you say. Segment 3. Older men understand timing and tone better than anyone. While younger men might rush to impress, older men take their time. They speak slowly, intentionally, with pauses that add weight to their words. Their voices are slightly lower, calmer, more grounded, almost like a slow song that draws you in. This tone communicates emotional control and security. It signals to women that you won't be reactive or unstable. A woman may not consciously know why she feels safe around you, but she will. Want to master this? Record your voice. Practice slowing down and dropping your tone. Then observe how people lean in more during your conversations. Tone, like timing, is everything in attraction. Segment 4. Compliments are easy to give, but difficult to get right. Older men know it's not about flattery. It's about noticing what others miss. A generic "you're beautiful" is forgettable. But that color brings out your eyes. That sticks. Women want to feel seen, not sized up. Specific compliments make them feel valued. Older men observe details. The way she styles her hair, how her laugh fills the room. These small acknowledgments create intimacy. Try giving compliments tied to emotion or effort, like "you have such a calming energy." It shows you're paying attention beyond the surface. When done right, a simple, sincere compliment can unlock deep, emotional rapport in seconds. Segment 5. Let's explore emotional composure, a quality that's magnetic. Older men exude calm, especially in stressful moments. When things go wrong, they don't panic. They pause, assess, and respond. That calm under pressure makes women feel protected. It's a powerful contrast to reactive behavior. Emotional composure signals emotional maturity, which is foundational in attraction. Want to develop this? Start by becoming aware of your reactions. Take a breath before responding. Detach from the chaos around you. Practice gratitude, mindfulness, and emotional regulation. Over time, this inner peace becomes visible, and that visibility becomes attraction. When a woman sees that nothing can shake you, she feels emotionally safe around you, and that safety is irresistible. Segment 6. Storytelling is a trait that older men master beautifully. Rather than listing accomplishments, they weave experiences into meaningful narratives. A story about traveling through hardship or overcoming loss can be more attractive than boasting about a big paycheck. Why? Because stories build emotional bridges. They allow women to see who you are beneath the surface. Want to be a better storyteller? Focus on moments of transformation, not just facts. Set the scene, express how it felt, and finish with what you learned. Keep it real, keep it short, and don't over-polish. Vulnerability within a well-told story makes you unforgettable. It builds empathy and emotional chemistry in ways facts and logic never can. Segment 7. Anticipation is one of the most powerful emotional triggers, and older men use it masterfully. They don't rush the moment or share everything up front. Instead, they reveal themselves layer by layer. They pause before finishing a thought, leave room for imagination, and ask questions that spark curiosity. Anticipation keeps her engaged and thinking about you. To cultivate this, don't tell your whole life story in one sitting. Instead, tease ideas. Let silence stretch. Let mystery do the work. When you hold back just enough, you make her lean in. You create space for desire to build. Anticipation isn't playing games. It's allowing attraction to breathe and grow. Segment 8. Appropriate touch can communicate what words cannot. Older men understand timing. When a gentle touch on the arm during laughter can enhance connection, or how placing a hand on her back while guiding through a crowd feels protective. These aren't random gestures. They're attuned responses to the moment. They read her cues before making a move. If she leans in, smiles, or maintains eye contact, it signals comfort. Want to master this? Learn to read body language. Start slow and respectful. When done right, touch becomes a shared language of trust, warmth, and growing intimacy. It's subtle, powerful, and unforgettable when offered with care and timing. Segment 9. Listening is often underrated, yet it may be the most powerful skill you can offer. Older men don't just hear, they listen. They allow pauses in conversation. They nod, ask thoughtful questions, and give space. This makes a woman feel deeply seen and respected. It's not about agreeing with everything, but about being fully present. Want to build this skill? Practice active listening. Eliminate distractions. Reflect back what you hear. When you listen with intention, women open up. It creates emotional safety, and that safety is the seed of true intimacy. Listening shows strength, patience, and emotional intelligence, the real pillars of unforgettable attraction. Conclusion. True attraction isn't about tricks. It's about presence, emotional awareness, and genuine connection. Older men win hearts by being calm, confident, and attentive. They listen, they observe, and they act with intention. Build that energy within yourself. When you're grounded and sincere, your presence becomes unforgettable. Like what you learned today. Hit like, subscribe for more insights, and tap the bell so you never miss out.